Y'all, these vegan raspberry muffins are amazing. They're sweet, tart, and fluffy with a crunchy lime topping. They are just absolutely perfect, and I cannot wait for you to try them. Let's do it! Start by zesting and juicing your limes. You'll need about 2 limes total to get the amount of zest and juice that you need for this recipe. Now mix up the dry ingredients in a large bowl until they're well combined. Then make a well in the center of the dry ingredients and add flax meal mixed with water, lime zest, vanilla extract, non-dairy milk, lime juice, and oil. Mix the wet ingredients together a little bit and then incorporate them into the dry. Once you have a nice smooth batter, mix in the raspberries. You can use fresh raspberries or frozen in this recipe. Use a big spoon or an ice cream scoop to scoop the batter into a lined muffin pan, and then it's time to make the crunchy oat topping. In a small bowl, combine rolled oats with brown sugar, a little bit of lime zest, and a little salt. Mix that together, then add some oil and mix again until you have a nice crumbly mixture. Scoop tablespoons of that mixture on top of the muffins and then use your fingers to gently pat it into the batter. That's going to help it stick. Now you're ready to bake. After baking, let the muffins cool completely before you take them out of the pan and devour them. I love having these around the house for a deliciously quick breakfast or snack. Just look how perfectly fluffy they are. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about how to make these raspberry lime muffins. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!